Sleeting. And here I am. Want to go duck hunting.
Talking about snow apocalypse, 6K16.
Little Mr. Jones is coming to town to bring us some snow, you know what I mean now? But, hello, we're going to get here with old Ben Shook up yonder. In this snowstorm. Gonna go try to hunt some ducks.
King of Lake Norman.
King of Lake Norman with his son, what's his name? Knockem Nathan. We got Kyle, the kid. And of course me, the decoy killer. What do you think, buddy?
I think that cut's pretty good. It's fun.
Cold? Kinda. What do you think, Ben?
Living the dream, man. Living the dream. Heck yeah, boy.
Good job, little man.
I forgot to warn y'all.
Good job, buddy.